right, welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency from all over the world. Things like Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Today, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin Cash. That's right, this is going to become the most popular, in my opinion, Bitcoin going on. Bitcoin is a very awesome coin. Bitcoin Cash is going to be more user-friendly. Find out why here on this episode. Do me a favor here at Frank's Crypto Corner. Don't forget to hit the like button and like our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, and hit the bell icon too. So with that, we've been talking about cryptocurrency. We've been talking about NFTs. We've been talking about Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. The NFT things is going off the charts right now. We'll come back with another video. Look at the one from a day or two ago, the one I did. We actually went on there and we actually looked at different ones for 1 Ethereum and 30 Ethereums and 180 Ethereums. Kind of crazy. But also, can't wait for every single person on the planet to have some cryptocurrency. Share this with your friends. One day, everybody's going to have Dogecoin or Ethereum or different cryptocurrencies. It's going to be common play. AMP yesterday, how this is going to transfer things over to the brick and mortars is going to make it more possible. Make sure you look at my AMP video too. So with that, let's jump over to Bitcoin Cash. All right, over here at Coin Telegraphs, how to buy Bitcoin Cash beginner's guide. As you can see, it's got a green Bitcoin Cash and it's got Bitcoin next to there. Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin are totally two different things. They have the name Bitcoin in there, but that's the only thing that's pretty much. They do use the same blockchain. All right, so you decided to invest in Bitcoin Cash. There's a few options available to you, but first you'll need to get yourself a wallet that supports Bitcoin Cash. There are many different options available, all which are covered in our BCH guide. How to claim Bitcoin Cash. Basically, this is saying that anybody that had Bitcoin in 2017, when they actually made the Bitcoin and the Bitcoin Cash, the hard fork, that you can actually claim your coins. I'm not going to go over this part on it. You definitely want to read up on it. I mean, because it was in 2017. I mean, it's 2021. By now, if you did this, you know what you should do. But so I'm not going to do that, how to claim your Bitcoin Cash. Going down here, though, take a look at this picture. He's sleeping there, just sleeping, dreaming about that Bitcoin. Here on this channel, we talk about all kinds of coins and cryptocurrencies that can actually make you rich. I mean, if you bought Bitcoin 10 years ago and you bought 5 or 10 Bitcoins and you're sitting on them today, you're sitting there dreaming like this guy, just dreaming about your Bitcoin. But the thing is, there's going to be all kinds of, you heard there's Dogecoin millionaires and there's all these different millionaires that have got into the coins. Well, that's why we pay attention to this. Bitcoin Cash is going to be more user-friendly. But again, I like this picture with the guy sleeping, thinking about his Bitcoin under his pillow. It is very important to note that some node wallets can conflict with each other. For example, the default directory for Bitcoin ABC is the same as for Bitcoin Core. Therefore, installing Bitcoin ABC may result in Bitcoin Core data being overwritten. If you haven't backed up your private keys, this may result in you losing both your BTCs and your BCHs forever. To avoid this, install Bitcoin ABC or a similar node Bitcoin Cash wallet or on a different computer. Kind of going down here a little bit, exchanges to buy Bitcoin Cash. I am going to show this because I think this is important. I can buy my Bitcoin Cash. I have Bitcoin Cash at Robinhood, but I want to go over a couple places. Despite the fact that Bitcoin Cash is currently the 4th largest cryptocurrency behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, in terms of market capitalization, it is not supported by every major cryptocurrency exchange on a full list of exchanges that support the BCH can be found. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this and we're going to talk about a few of them. So these exchanges, you can buy Bitcoin Cash. Some of these you may have heard of, some may not. Coinbase, I mean, everybody's probably heard of Coinbase. Bit.com, Gemini, you can buy on. Jungle with 2 U's, BTC Box. I mean, just look at some of these names here. Bitcoin.com, local, Coinbase Pro, CoinFloor, Bitcoin, Binance. That's where I'm getting mine at, right there, Binance. So Binance, you can buy it on Binance. I mean, but there's a lot of places. Crypto.com, that's another popular place. Coincheck's another popular place. So again, where do you get your Bitcoin? I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll just say 10 times 4 is 40. There's about 40 to 50 places you can buy Bitcoin Cash. So going back over here, so it says, even though exchange adoptions is increasing, out of the global operation exchange is a list. And again, we just went over the list. If you're using another exchange like Bitree, you'll only be able to get Bitcoin Cash in exchange for Bitcoin, Ether, or Tether. To find out which exact pairings work, again, you want to go to that list. So right here, BCC, bear in mind that the absolute majority of crypto exchanges will require you to go through a rather lengthy and sometimes daunting process to verify your identity before you can start trading. I did my account at Binance. I mean, I got an account at Robinhood too, but Binance, I mean, it wasn't that hard. You just got to do your basic thing. Additionally, in order to deposit to your withdrawal funds from an exchange, you will need to connect your bank account to the exchange withdrawal system. Completely identifying verifications and bank account linkings will most likely take several business days. That's true when you actually link your bank account to the Binance or to the Robinhood and they verify it. It may be 24 to 48 hours before you can purchase, before you can bring cash in to buy your Bitcoin Cash. With that, let's head over to the top 10 real quick. All right, over here at the top 10, we got Bitcoin at number 1 at 48,776. It's actually up 3.38% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is at a solid number 2 at a super high 3707. It's up 9%, almost 10% today. And it's up 14.71% in the last 24 hours. Cardano's at a solid number 3. The coin is trading right now at $2.87. It's up over 4% in the last 24 hours, and it's up 4% in the last 7 days. Binance Coin is up in the last 24 hours, 4.1%, and it's actually trading at about $486 a coin. Tether's at number 5. XRP is at number 6. It's up over 3.47% in the last 7 days and 3.44% in the last 24 hours. Dogecoin is at a solid number 7, down about 2% in the last 7 days. Solana at a solid. You ain't going to believe this when I highlight this thing. Get ready for this. Wait. Yeah, you know it. Solana's up 61%. 61% in the last 7 days. I know you guys were watching this 8-9 days ago. If you did anything 8-9 days ago, you're up 61%. You're liking the Frank's Crypto Corner show because, again, you heard it here. So Solana, again, is up about 4% in the last 7 days. Polkadot's at number 9, up 16%. And USD Coin's at number 10. Let's go up to the top here. The global crypto market is at a solid 2.18%. All right, back over here at the Bitcoin Cash. Due to security reasons, well, here's this guy painting this boat. He's painting it over. It's going to say Bitcoin Cash because Bitcoin Cash is used more. Again, the Bitcoin, people are using Bitcoin as a storage. They're storing the coin. They're using it for investments. They're hoping this thing, Bitcoin goes over 60,000 where it was at. It hopes it goes to 100,000 one day. People talk about 200,000. So people that are buying the Bitcoin are kind of holding the Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin Cash you can use more often. We learned yesterday that AMP's going to make it more possible for all these cryptocurrencies. All means all to be used at brick and mortars. The transaction time will vary depending on the exchange. Also, it was mentioned before that most of the time depositing to withdraw fiat funds from the exchange can take up to 3 business days. However, most cryptocurrency operations, especially when it comes to Bitcoin Cash, are almost instantaneously. So Bitcoin Cash is a lot quicker. It's quicker. That's why it's going to be used more. Bitcoin Cash is going to be the thing that's used the most. Still got that word Bitcoin in there. Now, again, for investment purposes, you want to pay attention because Bitcoin Cash is in the top 20. And it says, finally, always make sure to keep your funds and transactions safe. Only trade on reputable exchanges. Make sure you read the user's review and feedback and always double check the address where you're sending it. Again, they got Coinbase right here. Peer-to-peer trading, I don't know so much. But the funny thing, too, Bitcoin Cash, you definitely want to stay protected. Don't give out your passwords and this and that. You just got to love this little picture right here. says, when buying your Bitcoin offline, always make sure to meet in a public place. Bringing a friend with you could also be a good idea. Just make sure to notify sellers beforehand. You will need to make a working internet connection to check the latest current exchanges rate and sign off. So Bitcoin for beginners. Again, this channel, it's not about just being a beginner. It's for veteran people too. Again, as this stuff starts dripping on you. So again, here at Frank's Crypto Corner, we bring you all kinds of that news and information on cryptocurrency. We got Bitcoin Cash. We've been talking about AMP. We've been talking about Solana. We've been talking about ADA. I mean, we're just going all these coins. There's so many of them. We're all looking for that next coin that's just going to hit the moon. Bitcoin Cash, again, when it opened up, it was around $250 a coin. And again, it's being traded at around $650 a coin, give or take. So it's up. But the Bitcoin Cash is going to be used more often. AMP from yesterday's video is going to basically make it more user friendly. But again, they said in the article right there that Bitcoin Cash is more instantaneously. Again, we got to remember that one day everybody's going to have cryptocurrency. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. And if you click right here, you can see our most recent video. And again, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, you have a great day.